Welcome ladies and you're watching my YouTube channel. So this video is interesting for you because in this video I'll tell you how to SEO YouTube videos. Because in this video I'll tell you how to SEO the YouTube videos if you want to create massive income, if you want to get more traffic. So first of all you'll have to need SEO. If you want to boost your videos, so first of all the SEO is the best option for you for your videos. Because in this video I'll tell you how to SEO the best video for the YouTube as you can get more and a lot of views on YouTube. Especially the video title is the base and the backbone of your video growing your YouTube channel. If you write good and the best title and the best keywords in title, you can viral your video especially. And kindly make sure your content should be real, and make sure your first intro should be about your video, what kind of content you are uploading, what type of content you are creating in this type of videos. And then kindly make sure your video description is very good, and use those keywords and those writings about in description, because in the video description YouTube algorithm understand what type of content, what type of video is about this. If you are create your best title, your best description and best tags put in your video category, and kindly put your social links on your YouTube and in the video description, social platform links in your video description, and especially tell them about yourself, so you can SEO. And kindly make sure if you are a long video like 8 minutes above videos, so kindly make sure you have to create the chapters, because a lot of viewers they interest in different category in different topics. So kindly make sure if you want to their viewers is come into the long watch my videos a long time, so then you will have to make your chapters in your video description, so you can generate massive income and you can boost your videos. Because YouTube algorithm especially watch your CTR and your video view duration and your watch time. If you are first of all, if you are get 10 views on YouTube channel, especially YouTube videos, then your watch time is very good and your view average duration is I think 3 minutes or 4 minutes, then your video gonna be viral. And kindly make sure your CTR is very good. How to become a CTR? If you are create the best thumbnail on your videos, you can generate massive income and you can get a lot of traffic from the different sources and different sources, and people like your videos and share their friends. If you create the best thumbnail for YouTube, and kindly use best tags and share your videos, and kindly use 5 AI tool. I have created video already, and use these 5 AI tool in your video for YouTube video SEO, so you can generate massive income. And I'll give you link description below the best AI tool, because in this video I'll tell you the best AI tool for YouTube SEO videos, how to SEO with AI. I'll give you link description below. You can check out for more detail, and your description, your title, your thumbnail and your tags should be real and should be good. Then you can post your video, especially so this was information I provided in this video. I hope you like and share with your friends. So thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.